somewhere out on Pluto. Styrofoam cups, known I'm Mr. Noodle. Phone pole, swish a road, blow it fast.
Hey yo, what go on my dark nights, my dames? So, quick little cooking video here today. I was hungry. I didn't go grocery shopping yet, but this is something you can make for the family or yourself. It is fries and breaded chicken, little breaded chicken shits. Don't mind my language. But it's gonna be made in a wrap. As well, we're gonna fry up some onions and peppers. I will show you everything before I get started and then go from there. You mainly wanna caramelize your onions. So you wanna caramelize your white or yellow onions, red onions, whatever you feel. I'm using red peppers because I want some peppers. That's what I have in the fridge. I need to use it, so I'm using that. And then the fries, seasoned up fries, and then the seasoned chicken little shit dump. But I'll give you guys a show. 1 minute. So there's the peppers. And there's the onions. I seasoned the onions as well. So like I said, you want to caramelize your onions so they're a little caramelized, and add your peppers in after. Do whatever seasoning, whatever sauce you want to put in there. Like I said, this is something that you can do for the family or for yourself. It's not specific seasoning, not specific anything. I will put in the description of what I use for this. My normal kind of stuff. Other than that, like I said, you guys can do whatever you feel for this. It's just a quick little video. Now let me show you the chicken stuff and the fries. So here is the chicken shits and the fries. Yeah, that's those, okay? With that, they're just frying up. I have it at 375 in the little oven thing for about 30 minutes. So they can get nice and crispy and good, you know? So as I said, this can be made for anybody. For you yourself, your family, your children, little kids, like teenagers, whatever. Has the vegetables, has your seasoning, has your chicken, has your fries, like, you know. I'm just putting it all together because I was like, I want to make something. I was going to make something, you know, together. Okay, but, you know, regular wraps. I'm using just regular tortilla wraps, you know. But we will get back to this in a minute when I put everything together, okay? Okay, check y'all in a second. We have the onions caramelized, peppers in there. Now I did take out the fries about 15 to 20 minutes after. It was in there for 35 minutes at 375. So I did take those out so they didn't get too crunchy, not too dry. Just remember that. You don't want your fries to be too crunchy, too dry, that. I will show you the onions and the peppers. See, nice caramelized, you know, looking good, you know. So that's how you basically want them to be. I don't want my peppers to be too cooked, so it's just gonna come off in a second, you know. So once that comes off, you just put it off to the side. You can add whatever sauce in there if you want to add some sauce in there. I'm gonna add some Diana sauce in there and possibly some balsamic vinegar or balsamic dressing, because that makes things just taste so nice. Yeah. So yeah, I took out the fries. I put the chicken little stuff on broil so they can get more crunchy, because the skins are like soft and so I want them more crunchy. And then once those are done, we're gonna cut them up in slices, like pieces, and then get it all ready. I'll show you guys them when they're cut up, okay? And I'll show you guys everything else, and I'll get on with the process. Okay? Be back in a few. Hi. Okay. I'm back. So we have the chicken little stuffs cut up. We have the fries done, and we have the brain fart. The onions and peppers done. I'll show you all that 1 second. So there are the chicken little stuffs cut up, you know, nice. There are the onions and peppers, and then the fries. Like I said, I'll put all the ingredients or the seasonings in it. However, like I said, I haven't gone grocery shopping, so I don't have cheese. That's the yeah. But we're gonna make this, and I'm gonna show you guys the end part. Cut it open, all that kind of good stuff, you know. But gonna get it done and check you guys in a second again. I keep saying minute, but it's like a second because like quick for you guys, not for me. But anyway, yeah. See you guys in a second. Okay, check in a minute. A second. Now now we're back. Once you wrap them all together, you know, I put them on the pan for a couple of minutes or a couple seconds, you know, to brown them up. Keep them all together, you know, keep it warm. I don't have a panini press. I lost mine, you know. But other than that, I will show you. So here we have it. You see? Look at that inside. You got the chicken, the fries, the onions, the pepper. Don't that look so good? Don't that look so good? Yeah. 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 And the other one. I made two. Yeah, because I'm a fatty. But yeah, there it is though. Aside from that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be prepared for all the rest of the videos, the Senran Bubakagada, you know. I have a surprise for you guys for Monday. You guys will see what it is, but surprise! Okay. Enjoy your weekend. This will be out today. It's a Saturday. Just gotta edit it, get it out. Enjoy. Love y'all. Your Dark Lord will check you next time. And keep cooking, all you chefs, chefettes, baking, all the things you want to do. Just keep going. Mwah! Check you in the next cooking video whenever I feel like doing one. Okay? Love y'all. Peace out. Bye!
That's all, folks.
Maybach music.
We niggas don't. That's why you see us on the hustle with banana scopes. Leaving scopes, that's what a ratchet do. Now he choking on a barrel like his grandma's food. Like his grandma's food. Had a homeboy choking on a barrel like his grandma's food. Fuck the food, he ain't fucking cool. He ain't a hustler just because he sold a grandma too.